Hello and welcome to Making Joyful Noise, brought to you by beautiful St. Paul Lutheran Church in beautiful downtown Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I am the Director of Music Ministries and organist at the church. On Sunday morning, on Reformation Sunday, we're going to be listening to the Bell Choir, better known as the St. Paul Ringers, do the prelude. And the pieces we have chosen are Immortal Invisible and Morning Has Broken. Now, these are not the regular version of it. You'll hear the melody, but these are arranged by Kevin McChesney, and he's a very contemporary bell music composer, and he uses the form of dissonance. Here is what they say the F chord will sound like. But Kevin throws in one note that's just a little bit different. And if you play that very softly, it becomes meditative. That's the motion of the bell choir. Now, what they do that's different, as they're playing that, as the dissonance happens, the bell choir members ring out the melody with a technique called tower swing. And it's done like this. You ring the bell. I'm sure you could hear the difference between the loudness and boldness of the sound right here and very quiet as it goes to the back. So we're going to be using that almost in every measure of Immortal Invisible. The second piece is Morning Is Broken, and he uses a different technique in this. What he does, he plays, he has the bell choir play with almost the same kind of dissonance. Just one note off the regular chord, a non-chord, what they call a non-chord note, and it sounds absolutely beautiful. The thing I want you to listen to, if you can remember, is the very last four measures of the piece, where he takes the F chord and makes us feel like, okay, we're back to the F chord, no dissonance. That's basically the chord you're going to be hearing at the end. However, after the bell choir plays, now that hangs on while a few bell choir members take these bells and add those notes to it. Be sure to tune in Facebook, 9:30 a.m. on Sunday morning, or come and join us at beautiful St. Paul Lutheran Church in downtown Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for listening.